Hi, my name is Fabiola, and I made a tres leches, and we're gonna do a taste test.
It's good. It tastes like it's like a sweet milk. I give it a 8 out of 10.
Ugh. Which one's the biggest piece?
This one. Alright. It looks really good so far. Like honestly,
You did an amazing job. I think I need to try some more first. It tastes like a pound cake, like a 7-Up cake. I'll rate it like a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's really good.
So small forks. It's like cream. Love this. 10. Cause. 11. Love you, Fabi.
Hello there, friends. My name is Elias Ramsey, a famed stepson of Gordon Ramsay. Today, on Hell's Kitchen, we are going to be testing out Fabiola's tres leche, right? All right, I'll take the biggest piece here. Right. Straight away, visually, it's looking pretty good. All right, here we have it. It's bloody delicious. It's very moist, juicy. The cream's absolutely wonderful. Texture, it's all there.
We're gonna, taste Miss Fabulous beautiful cake. You see, right here? You guys see that? Okay. Ready? Now, if you see it, it looks so delicious and fluffy. Like, just wanna, let's dig in. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just wanna eat it all. Guys, this is amazing.
This is perfect for a bite size. It looks creamy and cakey and really good. So let's see. This is so good. I give this a 10 out of 10.
Cake looks very nice. Don't need the fork today. We're just going straight in. That's delicious. Honestly, best dessert I've ever had. That is amazing. Good job.
Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I want some more. Yay!